When small businesses go from zero to earning thousands in dollars, the lives of the owners are changed for good. I have shown many small businesses how to start a profitable export business by exporting everyday items around them. Now, many of them are seeing results.
My name is Zumi Ali George. I'm a fish farmer and I've been in this fish farming for more than 2 years. A lot of things has changed in meeting international standards. That has changed. We are meeting deadlines. We have our presence in nothing less than 6 states in the US. And sincerely, ever since then, the testimony of our customer is that, wow, you now have wonderful package.
Through the encouragement of Mr. Nduka, we were able to go and showcase our products in America. Mr. Nduka connected us to African stores. We've done more than 60 to 80 million worth of transactions.
My name is Funmilayo Ogunwusi. I'm the CEO of Super Beauty. We've been able to reach our international customers without issues. And we have seamless transactions all the time. Thank you so much for giving Super Beauty all your best. We appreciate.
Now, this involves a 3-step process: prepare, send, and sell, the PWS system. And this is what these businesses that are successful are doing. In this free training, I'm going to share the secret of the PWS system so you can know how to find buyers, how to export, and how to expand your export business to multiple channels. The training is absolutely free. Click the link below to get started. Now you have nothing to lose, and together we can increase the wealth of Africa.